Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we just have only y square. First derivative of y square we have 2y. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. And we have like this. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we do first the derivative e to the power of s and we keep the same. We see that this one and this one, they are same. That is about exact. So we need to set up about the function fsy. fsy equals to the integration. So I need to select about this one plus 3sy. So e to the power of s multiplied by number 2s and y square. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of s. So we have 2e to the power of s. This one we have 2se to the power of s minus e to the power of s. And the second one we keep the same. So we simplify this one minus this one. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have 2y. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides and you got number 0. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. 3sy equals to c. And this one equal to fsy. fsy equal to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.